In this video, I'm just going to show you how to rank for best product keyword on Autopilot. Now, I'm just going to take this and go into the URL, and here I can run an automation. Now, actually, the product, so let's just say our product is going to be something around best SEO, right? Now, if I take this and go into the URL AI, and here in the customization, go into the blog automation, click on feeds, and here click on create feed, set up a keyword, add your competitors, and add your seed keyword, so which is best SEO marketing. Now when you add that, these are the keywords it's going to populate. So let's just wait, and you can see free, all these pop keywords, which are 83 results as of now. And then you can go to the campaign, click on new campaign, and run your automation, and run the successful auto blogging. So that's how you rank for best SEO keywords on Autopilot, just the automation.